What's good? My name is Shawn. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I am the lead photographer with Shawn Maxwell Studios.
Nothing can stop a squad that's dedicated to fighting for the same mission, focused on the same vision. Does your circle got that type of commitment? Are they happy for you when you win?
We bend but don't fold. Pressure made diamonds, I was built for the cold. Came from the bottom, now I'm chasing the gold. Heart too solid, I never be so. Yeah, real ones never break, now I never that. Lost it all once, had to double back. Pain in my chest, I remember that. Now I walk strong, I ain't going back. Came from the mud, yeah, the dirt on my name. Had to fight demons, had to deal with the pain. Nobody helped me, I was stuck in the rain. Now I'm shining, they be screaming my name. I was down bad, pocket flat, no hope. Now I'm riding through the city, top down, no roof. Had to learn quick how to move, stay low, cause the ones close. Turn fake, that's truth. I done seen love, turn hate overnight. Had to cut ties, had to get my mind right. Every scar, got a story to write. Now I'm glowing in the dark like a light. Real one never break. We been.
Hello, I'm Layton Theodore and I'm from Macon, Georgia. I work with Shawn Maxwell and Shawn Maxwell Studios, and I'm at my 6th Strand event, and I do cinematic B-rolls and camera assists.
Mama told me, boy, stand tall, don't quit. Even when the world try to break your spirit. I was in the trenches, they ain't see me win it. Now I'm on top, yeah, I came with a vision. They were laughing when I said I rise. Now they watching every move, surprise. I keep grinding, ain't switch no sides. Stay real even when I had nothing.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing? My name's Eric Stroman Jr. I'm here with this Strand crew. I am the lead audio engineer.
Even when I felt like I might fall, God had a plan through it all. Now I'm rising, I'm answering the call. Yeah, real ones never break. We don't fold. Came too far, I can't lose my soul. Fire in my heart, yeah, it stays on go. If you real like me, let the whole world know. Let's go. Step in the game, I'm applying pressure. Talk on my name, I'ma send a message. Came from nothing, now I'm stacking extras. Real ones move different, I'm built better.
Hey, my name is Amira. I am the team manager experience leader here at Strand. I really enjoy working for Strand. It's an amazing place to work at. I love the connection. I love the community as well. Thanks for being here.
Real ones never break, never fold. Yeah. Even when the nights feel
Oh, I ain't say where I'm from. Damn, I ain't say where I'm from. What was I?